Model, 69-plate Citroen Relay 35 Heavy L4H3 BlueHDi 140S and S Enterprise X long wheelbase, body, white, panel van mileage, 104,090 MOT, the 30th of September 2024 engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, parking sensors, cruise control, aircon, electric windows, sat-nav EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £9,875 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.